So how to change total solder parameters. Move the cursor to 01 group. Because we just set two group, one is 1, the other is 2. So at first select 1 group. This is change for current code. The 2 is import. The 2 is import code by manner. This you can change the number to change the solder code. The 3 is change port solder parameter. Import 3. Putting speed 1 before direct soldering. You can adjust the speed from 10 to 20 to choose the suitable parameter. This is putting length 1 before direct soldering. You can adjust from 3 to 8 to select suitable parameter. This is head time 1 before direct soldering. You can adjust from 1.3 to 1.5. 1.3. Next, backing speed before direct soldering. Don't need to change, just keep 50. Yes. Backing length before direct soldering. Don't need to change, just keep 0. Next. Putting speed among direct soldering. You can adjust from 5 to 0. You can adjust this parameter from 5 to 0 to 12. Next. Speed of direct soldering. You can adjust from 5 to 12. 5 to 12. Delay after sender down. Keep 0. Next page. Stop team before stop soldering. You can adjust from 0 to 3. Head time after direct soldering. Just keep 0. Lift up cylinder, yes or no. You can choose anyone. Yes or no is okay. Delay after lift up. Keep 0. Put in speed 2 before direct soldering. You can adjust from 5 to 10. Put in length 2 before direct soldering. You can adjust from 3 to 8 to select a suitable parameter. Head time 2 before direct soldering. You can choose 1.3 to 1.5. So press enter. The two group, the two group. Move the cursor to two groups. The same with one group. The parameter is almost the same with 1, just according to your soldering part size to adjust the parameter. So now we finished the soldering port parameter. Okay.